Hello lovelies, this is Elisa from Elisa's Creations. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're well and having a good day. Today I would like to show you my latest project, which is a tag flip book that I have made using the gorgeous kit from the craft room membership by Shabby Art Boutique that is called Whimsy Roses. It's one of my favorite kits ever. The colors are just amazing. You can see all this pink, teal, yellow pastel color. They're absolutely gorgeous. There's lots and lots of tags in the kit, so I've decided to make a tag flip book. So this is all, and I have used this lovely seam binding that I've purchased from Amazon, and this satin pink ribbon as well. So I'm gonna show you all the tags one by one, and you let me know in the comments what you think of these creations. Let's begin. So this is the first one. In the kit there's these lovely buttons cards, so I've decided to make some paper buttons with pearls. Obviously I'm a pearl lover, so I include them in every single project I make. And because they make me happy, and I think they add a little extra shabby chic and delicate and elegance to any project, so I always use my pearls. I'm a bit upset because I'm running really low of this size of pearls. I have the very small ones left and the very big ones, so I need to order some of these because I want to use them in my projects. So this is the first card. It's a button card. In the kit it comes plain. I've added this gorgeous bow with the pearl, obviously, and I made these lovely paper buttons. I have a tutorial on how to make these buttons and how to attach them to the card coming up next week. I'm making this weekend, so next week hopefully I'll have it ready here on my channel. So if you are interested in seeing, please stay tuned. Next one is this lovely pink tag with these lovely teacups and roses. I added this big rose at the bottom and this lovely satin ribbon. This one is the one with the birds. They are so pretty. So I've added this lovely fussy cut from the kit with the birds. I just love the meters and the roses as well. This round fussy cut with the bird and the roses as well is so gorgeous. I've got another buttons cards. I've added these lovely teacups with the roses. This lace spool. What I did, I added some lace I had in my stash and the rose as well. Every single tag has one of these ribbon and some sari silk. I've alternate. I actually running very low of these ones as well, so I need to order some. I think they add some little touch to any project. This one I just added a rose. How pretty is this color? It's just amazing. So I've added these lovely teacups with the roses. And this one was just pretty on its own, and I've added the rose and a word. This one, how gorgeous they are. I just love the ledger paper with all these images. I added a teacup with the roses, and so I did in this one as well. In the last one I added just a rose. Look at all this fluffiness. Ooh, love it. I absolutely love making tag flip books. I think they are just gorgeous to look at. But if you're wondering on how to use them and what to do with them, I've got a couple of suggestions for you. The first one is the easiest one. You can simply use to display them on your coffee table, on your desk, whichever you prefer. They are just something really pretty to look at and to get yourself motivated when you feel a bit low, or when you are going through a rough time and you want to cheer yourself up. You can look at these pretty tags. When I'm not feeling well or I need some inspiration, I normally refer to some lookbooks that I have made, or some other arts that I have created, or some things that actually inspires me and keeps me going for the day, if that makes sense. I don't know if you had experienced the same thing. The second option would be to use these tags as journal. If you leave them plain at the back, like this one, you see they are all plain at the back. I've backed every single tag with background paper. You can simply use them to journal. If you don't want to journal on the background paper, you can actually add some writing paper as well, and they can be your journal. You can actually put the date, you can actually use them as diary. So I think it's a gorgeous way to record your day. The third way would be to actually use them as your mini photo album. You can actually, at the back of them, or even at the front, if you don't want to decorate them so highly like I did, you can actually put pictures and put like some phrases, some quotes to remember that day, and you can also add your date so you know what day the picture was taken. Another way would be to use them as a planner. You can just use them as your to-do list at the back or at the front or both. You can actually add your to-do list. You can write your date and simply writing down things that you need to do during the day. And last but not least, that was actually my initial idea of this one, and after I've actually changed it because I'm gonna gift it to my pen pal. I'm gonna add an extra gift for her. You can use it as your yearly goals. So basically my initial idea was at the back to actually write the month, because there are actually 12 tags in this one. Write the month of the back and write your goals for the month. Another one that just came to my mind is actually the simplest one. You can actually use them in your junk journal as a tag. You are making a junk journals, or you are decorating your journal and you need some extra decorations, and you just pick one of these tags, you put them in your pocket, or you add them to any project you are making for your junk journal. I absolutely adore making them. I make them very often, and I'm planning on making many more. I hope this project has inspired you and give you some ideas on how to use your tag flip book. And if you wanna actually see more of this tag flip book, please let me know in the comments. If you wanna see a tutorial on how to make one using one of Shabby Art Boutique kits or from scratch, please let me know in the comments and I will definitely make a tutorial for that. That is all from me for today, and I hope you're having a great day full of crafts, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!